This simple email template is going to show musicians how to put together a killer email pitch for bloggers, playlisters, bookers, and more, starting right now. Number one, the subject line. The email subject line is extremely important because it grabs people's attention and it gets them to read your email. The email subject line should summarize the entire email. For instance, if you're a band who's submitting a press kit to a booker for a show on October 31st and you want to impress him or her, your email subject line might look like this. Booking submission, the purpose, October 31st, the date, band X, your band name, and 5,000 fan email list. The benefit, to show that you can put some asses in seats. Bam! With the subject line like that, you're gonna get somebody's attention. Much better than writing something like, yo. Number two, the greeting. The greeting of the email is a lot more important than you think, because not only is it the first thing that someone's going to read, a lot of people in this industry have big egos and you wanna show them respect without pissing them off. Do you say, dear Mr. Borg, hey Mr. Borg, yo Mr. Borg, or hello Mr. Borg? Hello Mr. Borg is fine, and in some cases, hello Bobby is even better. But just be sure that if my name is Bobby, call me Bobby and not Bob, because Bob is what people call me when they're pissed off at me, and I'm not gonna read an email. Oh, sorry. You get the point. Number three, the purpose. Now, the first line of your email should state the purpose and the exact outcome that you want. Things like, hi, my name is Bobby. I play drums. I grew up in Princeton, and I really want to be a professional drummer one day. All that kind of shit, that does not work. So instead, you might write something like this. This is to submit my press kit for the October 31st Halloween bash at the Viper Room, with hopes that you'll pick my band, Band X, for one of the groups on the lineup. Bam! You see how that says exactly what you want and what you want the outcome to be? That kind of stuff industry people love because you're not wasting their time. Number four, recall. Now that you've grabbed the attention of the person you're trying to write, you want to remind them of who you are. In the best case scenario, when you're networking, meeting people, you do things that are memorable so you can recall on them later. For instance, you might say, if you recall, you gave me permission to contact you at the NAMM convention where you commented on my last name Borg as reminding you of the cyborgs from Star Trek. Get it? Bobby Borg, cyborg? Well, this might sound a little goofy, it works because music industry people are dealing with thousands of people and you need a way to stand out and remind them who you are. Number five, benefit. Moving on to the next part of your email, you want to express to people why they should care about what you have to say. Keeping with the same scenario of a band that wants to play at the Viper Room Halloween night, you might write, what we have to offer you as students at USC's Thornton School of Music is a potential student body of thousands of people all eager for entertainment on the night of Halloween. Additionally, we have an email list of 5,000 active fans, so we believe we could draw a crowd for you. Bam! Triple bam, right? Just remember that while music is an art, it is also a business, and people want to know what's in it for them. Number six, the close. Now, finishing up, the purpose of the close is to keep the ball in your court and let people know when you're going to be checking back with them. You also want to restate the purpose of your email so that you have it in the front and you have it at the end. People tend to remember the first thing and the last thing. So for example, you might write, I'll check back with you on August 1st to see whether you received my press submission for a slot on the October 31st Halloween Bash Viper Room show. Thank you. Bam, you guys, see how this keeps the power in your hands and reminds people what you want? The worst thing you can end with is something like, I hope that you'll contact me soon. That just sounds pathetic. Number seven, the whole damn thing. Okay, now to recap, here's the entire template. Be sure to take a picture of this so you can use it for yourself. Hello, blank. This is to blank with hopes that blank. If you recall, we met at blank. What we can offer you is blank. I'll check back with you on blank to blank. Thank you. And of course, don't forget about writing a powerful subject line to your email as well, or no one's even gonna open your email and read it in the first place. Hey, you know what would be cool? Go ahead and write an email using this template and then go ahead and put it in the comment section below so I can check it out. Also be sure to check out this next video on how to write a bitching bio for your band. My name is Bobby Borg. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted of future videos. Peace. Oh, geez, I just realized I have this sticker on this brand new shirt. Oh, well.